This is your time to rest. Take a deep, gentle breath in and slowly let it out. Allow your body to sink into comfort, supported by the bed beneath you. There is nowhere you need to go, nothing you need to do. Tonight, we'll take a quiet journey to a bookstore in Paris on a rainy evening. The story will carry you gently towards sleep, while the sound of rain continues long after the words fade. Take another slow breath in and release. Let your mind soften and allow the journey to begin. You find yourself walking along a narrow cobblestone street in Paris. It's evening, and the city is wrapped in a gentle hush. Rain falls steadily, pattering softly against rooftops and dripping from the edges of umbrellas. The glow of golden street lamps reflects on the wet stones, turning puddles into mirrors of light. As you walk, you pass quiet cafes, their windows fogged with warmth, candlelight flickering inside. The scent of fresh rain mixes with the faint aroma of roasted coffee and warm bread from a nearby bakery. The air feels cool and refreshing against your skin, each drop of rain a soft whisper. Up ahead, you see it, an old bookstore tucked into the corner of the street. Its windows glow warmly against the night, and the door stands slightly open, as if inviting you in. Above the entrance, a painted wooden sign reads, La Petite Librairie, the little bookstore. You step inside, and immediately the sound of the rain softens, replaced by the hush of pages turning and the faint creak of wooden floors. The air carries the comforting scent of old paper and polished wood, with just a trace of lavender from a candle glowing on the counter. Books line the shelves from floor to ceiling, rows upon rows of stories waiting to be discovered. The room feels timeless, as though it has held 1,000 evenings just like this one. You walk slowly along the shelves. Your hand trails gently across spines of every color, deep blues, rich reds, and soft faded browns. Some are worn and loved, their titles faded with time. Others are crisp and new, waiting for their first reader. A small cat stirs from its curled spot on an armchair, stretches lazily, and then settles back into sleep. The gentle crackle of a fireplace fills the quiet space, blending with the rhythm of the rain outside. You find a book resting on a table near the window. Its cover is deep green, with golden letters that glimmer in the light. You pick it up, feeling the texture beneath your fingertips, and carefully open it. The words seem to welcome you in, the pages whispering softly as you turn them. You sink into a nearby chair, the cushion warm and soft, and let yourself become absorbed in the story. Outside, rain taps gently against the glass, creating a steady, soothing rhythm. Thunder rumbles faintly in the distance, low, rolling, unhurried. The world outside feels far away, while inside, the bookstore feels safe, quiet, and timeless. You imagine the many people who have visited this place before you, travelers, students, dreamers, each finding comfort between these shelves. You can almost sense their presence lingering softly, their stories blending into the quiet hum of the shop. As you read, your eyelids grow heavy. The warmth of the fire, the soft chair, the rhythmic rain, it all begins to blur together, wrapping you in peace. The book rests gently in your lap, and your head leans back. For a moment, you glance out the window. Raindrops slide slowly down the glass, catching the golden light of the street lamps outside. Each drop is like a tiny lullaby, soothing and calm. The room grows quieter still. The fire crackles softly. The cat stirs once more, then curls back into a deeper sleep. You close your eyes, listening only to the gentle rain. And now, the story comes to a gentle close. You are safe. You are calm. All around you, the rain continues to fall. Steady, peaceful, soothing. There's nothing you need to do. Nowhere you need to go. Simply rest here in this quiet Parisian bookstore as the night deepens. Allow the sound of the rain to guide you deeper into rest. Your body is relaxed. Your mind is calm. It is time to drift into deep, peaceful sleep.